Hello Flavor Flavs, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chef A. Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious 5-minute meal which has your mash, stir fry and pork. Okay, we will start by boiling our potatoes. In a clean pot we add 1 spoon of butter. We let our butter melt. Then we put in our potatoes in the butter. We let that sit for about 2 minutes. Then we add aromat and we add black pepper. We start mashing our potatoes. I'm doing it with a fork because I don't have a masher. You mash your potatoes, you mash and you mash. Then you add oil of garlic. I like putting oil in my garlic, so we add those flavorful oils in the garlic, or you add a tiny wincy of garlic. Then you go on and add your milk to make your mash softer and smoother. Then you continue mashing until it is smooth. Okay, once your mash is smooth, we move on to the next. In a clean pan, add your oil, then add your pork. Okay, go on and add your spice. I am adding the steak and chop spice. Just add a bit of your spice and also let it fry for about 2 minutes on each side before changing it. Okay, with a fork, I think now it is fried on one side, change it over to the other side. Keep changing your meat and turning it over for about a minute on each side. Okay, while it's frying, drizzle a little bit of water to make sure that it doesn't stick on. Once it's done, put it in the oven. In the same pan you fried your meat in, add a little bit of oil. Then add your chopped onions. The next step is to add in your stir fry. I grated onions, cucumber and carrots and a bit of tomato. Okay, lower your heat to low heat and add a bit of black pepper and aromat to your stir fry. put on low heat so that it doesn't burn. Continue to stir your stir fry. Make sure it does not stick to your pan, but at the same time make sure that your stir fry is not overcooked. Stir fry is meant to be crispy. Once your stir fry is done, it should look a bit like this. We are now ready to serve our meal, which is mash, stir fry, pork and crimped spinach. If you also enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Bye.